Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is my weekly plan with me. I am going to use the Frosted Feels kit from the mini kit or personal size kit from my shop, and I'm also pulling in the date covers. I'm using my So Much Crafting B6 inserts, blah blah blah. This week is not very busy. I also brought in my big bin of stickers. Oh, it's actually very heavy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down all the date covers and do that. I've said this before, these are slightly bigger than the space allowed, but for me that is not a big deal because I don't know, it just isn't. But I'm just going to do this real fast. I'm actually trying to film, I've already filmed March's monthly plan with me, and then I'm going to film this week's and next week's plan with me. I'm trying to get ahead in the planning, one, because it makes it easier to edit. I don't have to freak out and try to get things done. You know, like if I think that a week is going to be like this week where I don't think it's going to be super busy and then it ends up being super busy, then it will allow me to already have that done. And also, I like the idea of having like the next week pretty much done. I've been enjoying having my month done ahead. So we're in February, almost February. And I would like to have March where I can already look at it and start filling stuff in and things like that. It just makes it less stressful, and that is always a good thing. Oh my goodness. Totally ripped the 29. Let's see if we can piece this baby together. That's good. This is why you pay attention to what you're doing and don't manhandle your stickers. I've never had one rip like this. So weird. There. Doesn't look too bad. Oh well. I will pay attention now. There are 31 days in January, right? Yes. There are 31 days. Yeah. I'm sure every YouTuber this week planner is saying this. I can't believe we have 1 month already down. Like, it's just crazy. So, yeah. Oh, and I will be right back. Someone just came home. Okay, so this is something I wanted to do the last few times and haven't. But I thought it might be kind of fun, is to kind of like block off this area. I don't know if I want to go straight down across or like do a block here and then cross here and then down. Like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think this week we'll just try this. I'm going to start at the bottom. Kind of put it in between like this. And try to keep it and that won't work because okay, hold on. I guess I have to put it up against this so that it's on the line like that. Didn't quite make it straight either, but that's okay. I think that looks kind of cool. Do I want to do it? I don't know what I want to do. I'm going to grab, sorry, neighbors. Monday, I've got lots of designing and stuff planned. I think I'm going to put in, get some stickers going. And grab the goals. So I'm going to grab the goals header and put it across here, and then grab the weekly and line this up nicely like that. Then I'm going to grab a thick piece of washi. Oops. I want to kind of line it up but not have it lined up, you know? That. And then we're going to put this one down. We're going to put little white space areas in between. Oh, don't rip my paper. Ah, it rips my paper. I told it not to do that. And then, what do I want to put down here? I have enough habit trackers. I'm going to add some this week. I'm not sure what. I don't know. I'll leave that blank. I'm going to take this supper one and put it here. I just like putting it over that one. Tuesday I have is payday and I work, so I'm going to take a payday sticker here, which I bet you can't even see. Here, I'll zoom you guys in because it's such a light color. Hopefully I can saturate it enough. And I work, so I'll put this little sticker there. Wednesday, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to put this one down. I think I'm going to put it at the top. I've been putting them on the bottom, but I think this one I'm going to try to put near the top. And that one's totally crooked. And then, let's see, this one I will put, I'm going to put it on the bottom on Friday because I tend not to do that. I've noticed over the last few weeks, I tend not to do that much on Fridays. Like, especially if I work that day, like I end up not doing anything because I'm just tired. And then we have this one, which, what do? I could cut it and like put it there. That would be cute. I could put it here and then cut using my scissors, which will probably flag this video now. My videos keep getting flagged, like my haul video got flagged. And I'm finding out that lots of DIYers are getting theirs flagged because they're saying words like scissors. Because that is so offensive. But whatever. It is what it is. Okay, so we have that. I'll save this because you never know. You could use it as a piece of washi. And, oh, Friday, I do want to put a new release sticker. Let's put... I'm actually going to use this flag here and we'll put it over the full box, and that will be for full new releases. And I'm going to grab this sticker here. I also have church on Sunday, so let me grab a sticker for that. I gotta find the right book. My stickers are so disorganized. I had them all in their nice little books and was keeping them really nice, and now they're all over the floor. Literally, they all just fell. I can't find the book I was looking for. So we'll use Tigaro's, which I have nothing against. And I can't find, where are they? I can't find the right ones. Drat. Okay. Oh, there they are. And I'm just going to take this one with the little Bible and put it right there for church. I haven't been able to make it the last couple weeks because of my injury. It's been hard to sit down, so sitting on the hard surface of the pew was not probably wasn't going to happen. Okay. I think I want to go to dinner this week with my friend also, but I have to call her and find out what day works for her, so yeah. I might get paid Friday, but we're supposed to get paid the 5th, but they're so weird. They've been paying me like 2 to 3 days early, so it's really weird. I don't know, like all year. It's really, really weird. Not that I'm complaining, but like I said, it's just weird. I'm going to have all the same daily tasks as I have the last couple weeks here, but I'm going to add one and I can't remember what it was. So this is what my spread looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let me know if you want to see me write stuff in. I haven't been, but no one's been complaining, so I don't know. You guys let me know. Also, follow my Instagram to see how my spreads turn out midweek and all that stuff, because I really am a plan as I go kind of person and just put it all out there and see how it goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.